What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. It is another beautiful day out here on the hard stuff. My buddy Tommy again, and then my buddy Alec. You've seen him from some of the trout videos I've been doing. Buddy Ben's gonna be coming out here with his kids, Alex and Braxton. So we're gonna try and get them on some fish. Got a bunch of first timers out here today, and yeah, we're gonna get some tip ups out. Got some minis. Gonna put those out. Gonna start showing them how to jig the little mealworms and stuff, and hopefully we can get on some fish. So stay tuned. These holes probably aren't even closed yet. What? Boss me around? You know it's $250 for today, right? There we go. What are you guys eating? Oh shit, tip up. Yeah. Hopefully he's on her.
I'll pull him up. I'll pull him up. And let me pull him up.
Make sure he's on her first. He's on her here. Get him. Don't go too fast. Don't go too fast. Slow and easy. Slow and easy.
Oh, okay.
Is he still on her?
Oh, I gotta take my gloves off.
Keep tension.
Yeah.
I think he got off. Yeah, he didn't keep tension. I think he's gone.
No, he's still on.
Is he? Keep going now.
I feel it.
Good.
Oh, he's tugging.
Be careful with him. If he runs, you gotta let him take line. It might be something big. He seems kind of big.
Braxton, here.
Hold on.
Oh, he's tugging.
All right, let him tug if he's gonna tug.
Yeah, I'll try. He's a catfish, I think.
Oh yeah, let him go. Let him go. This is big. This is big, Ben.
This is a big one.
Here, keep going.
I go.
Here, I'll stay up here so I can feel him. You keep pulling that one. Oh, yeah, he's big.
Help me pull him down. Hurry up, help me. You keep pulling.
All right, hold on. Be careful. You don't want to lose him. Oh, it's a big fish. Let him go.
I'll go.
This is big, Ben. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a monster cat.
You gotta let him run when he goes. See how he's running?
I think I've already pulled. You know that he's running.
Yeah, you can feel it. You gotta let him go because he can break off.
If he starts heavy, pulling up, like getting really heavy coming up, he's right there. I'd be surprised if he jumps up.
You're good. Keep going, but just be gentle with him though. When he runs, you gotta keep like a loose grip. You know what I mean?
I'd be surprised if he jumps. Look how heavy.
Let him go. Okay, go ahead. This is big. This might be a catfish.
He's heavy.
Yeah, he's pretty good. He had some really good runs. Hope he fits in the hole.
Yeah, let's cook him. Oh, he's going.
Yeah, let him go. Let him go. Don't completely let go.
All the way down.
Like you just kind of like.
You gotta keep a little bit of tension.
Yeah. See how you gotta let him do that.
You know how we set your reel so it runs with it, but it's.
This could be just a really big bass too.
Yeah. No, it'd be pretty sick.
This is big, dude.
Big carp.
This is fighting harder than that muskie I caught on tip up.
Chances are
Oh yeah, I've got some.
There he goes. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Oh, big bass, guys. Monster.
Come and grab him.
Oh God. Look at that. Look what you guys just caught. Look at that. Look where he's hooked. That's why you gotta be so careful. Look at that.
Holy shit.
Barely hooked, guys. Look at that. That's a 5-pounder.
Here, let me take a picture.
First fish of the day.
Hey. Look at that. That's a 5-pounder.
Here, let me take a picture.
First fish of the day.
On the tip up.
Hey.
Holy
Good
shit.
job, hey, good job, guys. Here.
I didn't do that.
Yeah, you did. You helped. Here.
Yeah, right.
Come on, give me some. Give me some.
Give him some. Those guys are coming.
That's ridiculous.
Here.
Just stand by Joe.
You guys.
There's no. Oh, look at it. I think it's pregnant. I think that's a girl.
Here, hold that.
Yeah.
You want to hold him?
Come on.
You're going to be the thumbnail. Which one of you wants to hold it?
It's cool.
Hurry up. We got to get him back in the water, so hurry up. You don't want to hold him?
They have teeth.
All right. Well, here, get a sideways pick with them in it.
That's a go now. Do they have teeth? Do they have teeth?
Yeah.
I'll watch
Do they have teeth?
Oh, thanks, man.
Do they have teeth?
No. Here, let me dunk him in the water. He's been out a little bit. Well, he barely fits that damn hole.
That's ridiculous.
Really ridiculous.
That's the biggest bass I've ever seen in my life.
Really?
Me too. Mine too.
That's crazy. All right. Okay.
Believe that.
Ready to let him go? Go ahead.
Here, right here.
Just real gentle with him
Let
now.
me let him go.
Real gentle.
Next person. Go.
There he goes. He took off. Hey, good job.
Dude, that's wild.
That was crazy, wasn't it?
I couldn't believe
I wanted them to fight it, but it started running. I was like, oh god, this is big. So I was like, that was crazy. Well, that was fun. All right, let's do that again. All right, guys, we were here about 5 minutes and that flag went up, and that was absolutely freaking insane. Didn't have a scale, probably 5.5 pound bass. I don't know. That was pretty wild. I was trying to let the kids get it, but I didn't realize how big it was. And then, you know, it's hard to teach them how to use a tip up. And it's a miracle that we even landed that thing on that little tiny trout hook. That was pretty incredible. I didn't have my cards or anything situated because like we literally had just got here, so I didn't even get the big camera out. So I'm probably going to show you guys like some cell phone footage or something of some of that because that's pretty much all we got. And then what's on my GoPro, obviously. But yeah, that was pretty intense. I'm gonna get that line back out, gonna spread some more of these out, and hopefully we can find some more like that, because that was pretty crazy. That's definitely I mean, 100% my biggest bass through the ice. And I don't know, probably that might be my best catch for the ice. I don't know, my tiger muskie a couple years ago was pretty cool, but that was pretty awesome. Okay, so now you're on the bottom, right? Well, it's a little frozen. And so you just want to bring it up like right there, and then all you do is you sit here and you just kind of like that. And you'll feel him grab it.
Look how big that fish is.
Oh my god. Send me all those.
Whoa.
I wanted them to catch it, but when it started running, I knew we were going to lose it. Because I've lost so many pickerel doing that, and muskie and stuff. Because you have to like know how to guide it through your hands on those tip-ups. We'll get more.
That was a monster.
That was a monster.
It was like the biggest bass I've ever caught.
Yep. That was huge.
I caught a big
You did a good job too. It was just the learning curve on a tip up's pretty ridiculous. That's why I kind of took over. But dude, he took like 60 yards of line out. What you got, Ben?
I can catch it.
Really? Nice and slow. Hey!
Look at you! Use that
Give me
bait.
gill. There'll be a bunch down here, guys.
Whippersnapper.
Eee. Nice little crappie, dude. Fish, they're a little scattered today, it seems like, but gotta work. They're making us work for them a little bit.
Let's just spend a little bit.
That's a good one too. Yeah, that's a good one, man. Yeah, he wants to bring some trout home to his dad, so we'll keep him.
We'll keep him?
Yeah.
Oh, he's flying everywhere. I got it.
That's a good one, bro.
Got him. He's slimy.
Eee. Yep, just throw him on the ice when you're done. Don't let him go, because he's going to eat them. We're marking nothing here, though, huh?
There was when I first got in here.
Check it out. Alex just got a trout. A couple trout now. Tommy's got a crappie. I got a big ass freaking bass. My day's pretty much complete after that. Love to get some more crappie. Ben got a bluegill. Try to get his boys a couple of fish. Didn't happen. It's just, you know, there's a big learning curve when it comes to ice fishing. You gotta be patient. But they did help with that bass though, so they got to fight that bass for a while. That was pretty wild. I would have let them just bring it in, but I knew it was big and the hook was small, and that was running. And trying to teach them how to use tip ups on a big fish is pretty sketchy. I just wanted to get the fish in so that they could hold it and stuff. But yeah, they seem pretty excited. Got him. Oh, big old bluegill. Hey, there's more down there. Have at it. Finally, another fish, man. Got a little slow there. Those are actually decent sized bluegill. I'm surprised those marks were so small. There's like 3 or 4 more down there, so. Eee. Not quite as cool as that giant bass, but that's frozen. Go, buddy. It's been a little slow, dude. What do you think? First time ice fishing?
We'll find them. We'll get them eventually.
It's definitely slower today, but it's not that magic hour yet, so I'm not too worried. Dude, that freaking hammered it. What do you got? That's a bass. It's gotta be. Oh, dude. It's a catfish!
It is!
It's a catfish, bro! Yes! Yes! Hey! Yes! You got a catfish! Dude, that's freaking awesome. Oh yeah. That was literally one of the goals. Got a catfish, bro. That was one of our goals for the last 2 days, was to get a catfish. There it is. One of our goals was to get a catfish through the ice, dude. And you did it, man.
Killed it.
I think it was fighting, bro.
Dude, he hammered it.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, dude. That was awesome. I hope he's on. I don't know if he's on.
Yeah.
Hey, come here, Alec. Come here. I don't know what it is, man.
Ooh.
It's pretty good, whatever it is. This might be another cat.
Might be.
Here. I've hooked him. I haven't fought him or anything. He's all yours.
What'd you say?
It's yours. I hooked him. I haven't fought him or anything. He's all yours. He's big.
Big?
Yeah. Here, just keep tension. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's right here.
Oh, it's a bass. It's a good bass.
Oh, shit, he came right to the hole. I didn't even fight him.
That's a good bass.
Oh! Damn. He swam it to the hole. The thing was locked up. I'm sorry, man.
No, you're good.
Fuck. That was like a 2.5, 3 pounder.
Yeah. That was a PG for me easily.
Sorry, man.
No, it's all good.
I should have punched the hole out better. I thought I wasn't even thinking. And that thing went. I can't believe he was right by the hole because I barely even fought him.
Yeah, that was pretty crazy.
Is he on here? Hey, Alec. He don't want it? Bass are moving in, dude. A lot smaller than that last one that we just lost, but hey, pretty cool. No way. I just put this down. Just put this down, dude. Just put this down. Just put this down. Oh, big crappie. Mondo crop. Kind of Mondo for here. Al, get over here, dude. It's freaking on right now. God. Dude, I just put that down. I know. Like literally seconds ago. Okay, well today's been consistently good. Not insane, but still pretty lit somehow. What a good day. Get him. Get him. Yep. Oh, let me get this off. Just give him like a little. Like,
Oh yeah, something's on there.
big.
Something's on there.
Oh god, oh god. Why is it doing this? Okay. Give him like a little hook set. Alright, nice. We're not gonna lose this one.
No, we're not.
Drop it. Keep it off the edge.
He's on.
What we got? It worked out perfect, dude. What do you got here? Oh, crappie!
That's a nice.
Nice, dude. He choked it, dude. That is a nice one. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That worked out great. Stuff usually doesn't work out that good. Like, hey, come over here. You're going to catch a fish. It usually doesn't happen like that. First crappie?
First crappie.
Hell yeah, dude.
Nice one, too.
That is a good one, man. That's a really good eater. Is it? 5 o'clock bite. Hey. Damn it, Tommy. I was getting ready to leave. What are you doing? That's a nice one.
Crushing crappie.
That's a nice one, dude. Eater. Yep. So that is going to wrap up today's episode. I know it looked like it was completely lit pretty much the entire time, probably the way I edited it up, but we actually had to work for him a little bit. Caught that giant bass right off the rip, and then it slowed down, and then, you know, we'd had to really log the hours to get all the fish we caught. But action stayed pretty steady all day though, so got some newbies on the ice and got them their first fish through the ice. So yeah, it was a pretty successful day. Super stoked about that giant bass. Can't believe that it was like the first 5 minutes putting that tip up down. That was incredible. Biggest bass I've ever caught through the ice, easily. Kind of wish I would have weighed it at least 5 pounds. But yeah, it got really freaking cold, which is good. There's a lot of cracking going on out there, but that was because the ice was building, and yeah, it got really cold. Rather than us all three huddling up in the shanty, we just decided to call it a day because it was getting really cold, starting to get dark, and we caught a bunch of fish today, so no point in sticking out there and grinding it out when we already had a pretty good day. Hope you guys are enjoying these ice fishing videos. I'm gonna keep making this content for you guys for as long as I have ice, and I might even be traveling further north when the ice around here starts becoming unsafe again. But that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.